Here I have OnePlus Ace 2V, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button power saving mode. So by tapping on this button once, you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. For example, you can set it to turn off automatically when device is charged to 90%. You can set it to turn on at specific battery level, and here you can select this level. You can also adjust its default optimizations, like you can reduce screen brightness, you can change auto screen off time to 15 seconds, you can disable background synchronization, and you can lower the screen refresh rate. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.